Do you like that, Raz? Right, let's just do a bit of work. And then you can play with this again. Yeah? Right, so we just need 6 tokens. Can you give me... Good boy, Raz. You can have a token, pop it down. Can you give me pa? Pa. Go on, can you give me pa?
Yeah.
Go on, which one? Which one do you choose? Raz, give me pa. Pa. Which one? Raz, give pa. Don't say it. Which one? Give me pa.
Clear the table and prompt it. I mean, not clear it. And prompt it immediately.
Raz, pa. Pa.
But
Raz?
cover the other one, but never.
Raz, pa. Pa. Well done, pa. Raz, look in. Raz, can you give me s? S. Well done. Have a token. Can you give me pa? Raz, can you give me pa? Quickly, pa. Pa. Good. Pa. Thank you. Swap. Oh, look, 2 more to go.
Really showing the card after this.
Raz, can you give me s? Calm down. Raz, give s. Raz, give s. Good, well done. S. S. The token. 1 more to go, Raz. 1 more token. Raz, can you give me pa? Pa! Well done, Raz. You get your token. And would you like the frame? Pop on your token. Good boy. And now you get your frame.